Welcome students, myself Dr. Sakshi and today we are going to study bone. Definition of bone. Bone is a specialized connective tissue which is mineralized and rigid. Function of bone. It acts as our skeletal framework. It helps with movement. It acts as a reservoir of calcium, protects our internal organs. Bone marrow also helps in cell formation, fat storage, and it also maintains electrolyte balance. Parts of bone. The outer covering of bone, outer hard mineralized covering of bone is called compact bone. The spongy inner layer is called medullary or cancellous bone, which houses bone marrow, which is of two types, red bone marrow and yellow bone marrow. Red bone marrow helps in erythropoiesis or cell formation. Yellow bone marrow helps in fat storage. Periosteum. Periosteum is the outer covering of bone and endosteum is the inner covering of bone. Coming to the microscopic structures of bone. The microscopic structures. The newly laid bone is called osteon. In an osteon, the middle portion is the Haversian canal. The osteon also has entrapped osteoblast cells called osteocyte. The outer covering is a strong and dense compact bone. The outer layer is called periosteum. The inner layer is called endosteum, which houses the medullary bone. The medullary bone has bone marrow and osteoprogenitor cells. The osteons are interconnected with these perforating canals called Walkman's perforating canals. The periosteum and the lamella are connected by Sharpie's fibers. That is the cylindrical structure in concentric layers. There are three types of lamella: concentric, interstitial and circumferential. So in between here in the three osteons we have interstitial lamella. The outer circumferential lamella is the yellow part outside. Cells of bone. Bone forming cells are called osteoblast. Bone resorption cells are called osteoclast. Osteoblasts that are entrapped in the bone matrix is called osteocyte. And the fourth undifferentiated cells of bone formation are the osteoprogenitor cells. If we zoom in on one of the osteons, we will find the cells of bone, and these are cells. The osteoprogenitor cells will differentiate into osteoblast and osteoclast, and these osteoblasts which are entrapped in these concentric layers will be called osteocyte, which is the inactive form of osteoblast. Composition of bone. Bone can be divided in inorganic and organic content. The inorganic part is 67% and the organic remaining 33%. The inorganic part is made up of hydroxyapatite crystals. The organic 33% is made up of type 1 collagen and non-collagenous proteins. Formation of bone. The process of formation of bone is called osteogenesis or ossification. Bone formation starts between the 6th and the 7th week of intrauterine life. Osteogenesis can be divided into two different processes: intramembranous ossification and endochondral ossification, which we will study in the upcoming lectures.